In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use WordPress plugins if you're a beginner and if you've never used them before. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about plugins, so make sure you do leave a like if it's helpful, comment down below if you've got any questions, and we'll jump into the video. So right now I'm on the dashboard area of my WordPress site, and you can get there by going to your website then /wp-admin. It is important to note that you can't use plugins on the free version of WordPress. You're going to need to create an actual website and host it using a hosting platform for you to be able to use plugins. So when you're in the back end here, when you're on your dashboard, we can look for the plugins tab here. So if we click on it, it's going to open up all of the plugins that we've currently got installed. So here we've got some options. Here we've got bulk actions, so we can activate and deactivate and delete different plugins here in bulk. It also shows you what plugins you've got installed currently. It also shows you what plugins you've got active, inactive, and that need updates. So if I wanted to delete a plugin, I could click on it and then I could click delete, then OK. And this plugin then will be deleted, and that's how you can delete a plugin. Now to add plugins to your website, it's very simple, and all you need to do is come up to the top page here, or the top of the page, and click add new under plugins. It's then going to load all of WordPress's plugins that are already confirmed. These are plugins that are working and they've been scanned, so they don't have any viruses or anything like that. So here we've got featured. So these are the plugins that are currently featured. You've got popular plugins, you've got recommended plugins, favorites, and premium, which are plugins you need to pay for. Now you can go and check out some of these popular plugins. A lot of people will be recommending them on YouTube, like Yoast, Contact Form. A lot of these are very simple plugins that do a very good job and they do what they need to be doing. But if you wanted to search for plugins, you can search by keyword or a tag. So I'm going to search here for anti-malware, and here it will load up a lot of plugins which are related to your keyword here. Now say for example I wanted to install anti-malware back, I could click on the plugin and it's going to give me a description. So here is what the plugin actually does. So you don't need to install it to check what the plugin does. You can actually view the description here. It's going to show you the installation process here. It's going to show you the FAQ, so it's going to tell you a little bit about the plugin, the changelog, you've got screenshots, and you've also got reviews. You can also see here when the last update was and what WordPress version it requires. You can also see the rating and the reviews here, and then we can just click install. Or you can just install it here with this box here. So then it's going to install to WordPress. Once it's installed, we can click on activate, and every WordPress plugin installs a little bit differently. You might see it under settings, some of them might be under tools. They might be hidden when you go and install them. You can see this one's popped up here in the toolbar here, and you can see it's anti-malware, but some of them, they might be hidden in some of these boxes here. So you might need to open some of them and find them. Some of them, like I say, are hidden. So that's basically all you need to know about plugins. One more thing that I will say though is don't install loads of plugins onto your website because it will slow it down in the long run. Again, plugins are fine, plugins are great, they can allow you to do certain things that themes can't, but don't go crazy when you're installing them.